Welcome to our channel. Happy Chocolate Day to all. Today we are going to make chocolate lollipops. See what are the ingredients we need. This is Oreo biscuit which we have powdered in mixie. These are some chocolates and some lollipop sticks, and this is condensed milk, melted dark chocolate and melted white chocolate. Put condensed milk in powdered Oreo biscuit. Make a dough like this. Make small balls. Make small balls and put chocolate inside. I cover it with Oreo biscuit. All chocolate balls are ready. I'm going to put lollipop stick into it. Now we are going to put these lollipops in the freezer for 15 minutes. Now our chocolate lollipops are ready. Enjoy it, your yummy lollipop. If you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you.